Hi all, this is Raman from Phasio, and I just wanted to share a quick video of all the updates we have done in the platform in the past few weeks. The first is we have introduced wall thickness detection. The way you access it is you go to Settings, Storefront, enable wall thickness here as a toggle, and then going to Manufacturing, checking on the technology, in this case multi-jet fusion, powder, and then adding wall thickness in the top right corner. You can set it to whatever number you want, in this case 2 millimeters, and I'm just going to set this to 1.5 and click save. Once that's done, whether a customer creates an order or quote through the storefront, or if you send a quote to the customer, for all the 3D files, you should be able to see the wall thickness breach or the wall thickness warning. So you can go to quote. In this case, I'm going to go to quote 1269. And you can see that this part has wall thickness beneath your minimum threshold. So you can click on this. And as you can see here, areas where there's a wall thickness warning, you have a yellow color, and areas where the wall thickness is breached, you have a red color. You can play around with wall thickness as well as you can increase or decrease it depending on your technology and material combination. Wall thickness is part of our beta program. So if you want access to it, please feel free to reach out to me and I will enable it for you. The second is we have updated our templates to include information about technology and material as part of the description process. So you can go to order invoice. The first thing you have to do is you have to delete your old template. In this case, I just deleted order invoice, and then I am going to I'm going to create a new one, and I'm going to call it order invoice in English, and then click submit. Once that's done, the new template is created. And as you can see here, the services and the expenses are added with hours and rate per hour. And the description is the technology and material for manufacturing the part. You can change the positioning of each element as it's a what you see, what you can get editor. And you can then click save at the top left corner of your template. Then we have also added SLM to the platform. So the way you can add SLM to your manufacturing repertoire is going to manufacturing, click add, click selective laser melting, and set up similar to the other technologies. And then you can just go to whether add your own equation, size limit, internal only technology, and you can add a material. In this case, I'm going to add Inconel 718. Internal reference number. I'm going to use automated pricing, very similar to how every other technology is. All you need to do is add all the information here so that your customer can see it on the storefront as well. And then this is using our automated pricing tuner. I'm just adding some random values and then click submit. Once this is done, we will automatically price the part, and SLM will be with Inconel 718 will be added to technology. As you can see here, Inconel 718 8.85 is added here. You can click edit, startup costs, you can see the differences, material cost, as well as quantity discounts, wall thickness. You can edit it as you feel like. Now, we have also done create order. So if you want to track orders which don't come through the storefront but still in the platform and not send a quote each and every time, you can now do it directly in the order overview process. You click order, and you can just click create order here. It's the same way as the send quote functionality, but rather than sending a quote, you can create an order. I'm just going to upload this file here. The part has been uploaded. As you can see here, it's a very big and complex part. You go to millimeters, you select, I'm just going to select SLS mini series production. I'm going to select material nylon, and then keep rest normal, and then click save, and then this creates send. But what happens is the order goes directly to your order, to the order rather than as a quote, and your customer is updated with all the emails which go as the order is progressing through the platform. You can also see the same order in the order overview. As you can see here, this is just what I quoted right now. And yeah, you can now track all the orders you get outside of Phasio in one place. And finally, we have introduced organization-based tax exemption. So the way this works is you just go to sales, customers, and then add a customer as tax exempt. So in this case, maple syrup has decided that he doesn't want to pay GST or VAT. You go to edit, you create tax exempt, and you click save. Now, when you send the quote to this customer, they will now not be charged both GST or VAT or any of the other taxes which have been implemented on the platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.